Okay, the moment of truth. So I started around the 18 number, which is obviously pretty bad. You can see I haven't checked it since last week, which was the 28th for the last episodes. I'm going to now do it live here, so I don't know if I've hit that magical stone in under a month, and we'll see how it goes. So, let me give it a go. Put the scales down. Hopefully they will connect and you'll see it live. Okay, so you can see I've gone down to 16, 11, 5, which means I've lost not only 1 stone within the first 4 weeks, but actually now I'm looking at only doing 11.5 in the next month to get me back to my pre-COVID weight. Okay, let's go and smash into the numbers. So we do this each week to understand where those £3 have been coming off from, and just the consistency of working out. Last week was a bit of an exception. I hit the gym 5 times, and for those who watched my session, I actually turned my office into a home gym at the weekend and did over 400 reps. So let's have a little look at those workouts, and again let's compare those to some of the bigger months like October, November, where I got a lot more higher numbers. So first of all, the effort and the burn zones you can probably see, over the first session that I ran over the weekend, pretty high, but those 470 reps, which is really strong. 3.2k of calories burnt, which again is really good. Yes, I'm going up my dosage now, so I'm moving from 25 to 50. So that's probably going to have another effect on me. I mentioned in the episode 1 that sleeping was a real problem. Same thing yesterday, 6 hours and 25. That's dropped from kind of an 8 hour down to 7, now 6.5, which is great. I guess I don't need as much sleep, but still, it is having its toll on me for keeping me awake in the day, I guess. So again, it's focused through January. The numbers are looking pretty good for my total burn, but now we're moving on to February. I actually wasn't in the top 10 at the gym. I need to get to the top 10 again for this one. Let's have a quick look at my Aura numbers. Sleep, 72, staying okay. Solid resilience, woke up, telling you a little bit more, telling me the HIIT class that I did, which was 2,000 calories at the weekend, yesterday at lunchtime. So yeah, some really good numbers there. So yeah, join me next week and let's find out if I can keep that continue after first stone in first month. Let's see if we can smash that and get 1 more stone in February.